I made stupid money stealing videos on YouTube, and I can proudly say if you're still trying to be original on YouTube, you're playing the wrong game. The smartest creators aren't creating, they are stealing. They're copying systems that already work and letting AI run that shit up. Even this video you are watching right now ain't original. Stole the entire idea from one of my homies and recreated every single thing with AI. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all step by step how to steal any video you want and recreate it using one single AI tool for free. And if you stick till the end, you'll never struggle with brainstorming video ideas again. No more creativity block, no more overthinking. Check this channel right here, Nick Invest. This is the channel we're going to be stealing from. Or should I say reverse engineering, cloning, dissecting, kidnapping, robbing, looting, and legally violating in the nicest way possible. You get the point. This channel is pulling millions of views and quietly cashing out every single month. And we're about to steal its entire DNA using a free Google tool most gurus don't even know exists. Look at the play. They're not doing nothing crazy. Simple Family Guy type animation, AI voice, talking money, finance, and how to get your life out the mud. Social Blade says they're touching around 9K a month. That is a crazy return on investment. This could literally be you if you lock the fuck in and follow what I'm about to show you. And the wild part is, this whole setup is easy to replicate and it doesn't cost a single dollar. The tool we're using to automate the whole hustle is Google Notebook LM. And I'm also going to show you 2 more tools that take this whole process to another level, so don't move. Now listen, when you're running faceless channels, the hardest part is not uploading, it's knowing what to make, what to say, and editing, which is the most annoying part of being a creator. That's where most people get stuck. Notebook LM kills that problem. It reverse engineers any channel's ideas, hooks, structure, and tone for free. Now let's build the machine. First, head over to Google Notebook LM. This is your command center. Open it up and hit Create New. While that's loading, go to the channel you want to dominate. We need about 10 to 15 video links to feed the AI, but we're not doing that one by one. We're automation people. We don't do manual labor. Go to Google and search Grab It Chrome extension. Add it, pin it, now we moving. This tool lets you snatch every video link on the page in one click. Go into the settings. I use left click plus alt. Set the highlight color to green because we chasing money. Make sure copy to clipboard is on, then hit save. Now go back to your target channel's video tab, hit your shortcut, grab all the URLs, then head back to Notebook LM. Click Add Resources, select website/YouTube, and paste the links. Now let the AI eat. You can even throw in blog posts or PDFs if you want your content to go deeper than everybody else. And this is the real game changer. YouTube usually packs up lazy AI content, but Notebook LM builds scripts from real sources you provide, so your content stays original, safe, and monetizable. Name your notebook something like Nick Clone. Now going further, I need to do something important. So look, lock in. We're about to put every single piece of this puzzle to work right now. First things first, you need to head over to the description and grab the prompts I dropped. I told y'all I wouldn't gatekeep, so it's right there. This isn't just some basic text. This is the prompt engineer code we are going to use to literally break the system and automate this entire workflow. So go ahead, copy that first prompt. Now head over to your Notebook LM clone, paste that prompt in. What we are doing here is telling the AI to stop acting like a bot and start acting like a forensic data scientist. We are telling it to analyze a specific YouTube channel like a content engineer. We want it to break down exactly how their videos work, the niche, the sub-niche, the specific type of person, clicking on the thumbnail, the scripting patterns, the pacing, literally everything. Then we are commanding it to explain how I can recreate this exact success for my channel without copying them word for word like a clone. This part right here, this is critical. If you miss this, you are cooked. You need to understand the DNA of a viral channel before you try to replicate it. Hit enter and watch it work. It's going to spit out a list of results, and I want you to actually look at it. Don't just scroll past, glance through it. You can see right here, it gave us the niche, the sub-niche, the psychological profile of the viewer. It's giving us the sauce that these big YouTubers try to hide in their $500 courses. All the information we asked for, it gave us in detail. And see those little numbers attached to the text? Those are citations. That means the AI isn't hallucinating. It's pulling receipts from the actual source material. It's showing you exactly where it found the strategy. Once you are satisfied that the AI understands the assignment, we move to step 2. Go back to that document in the description. Yeah, the one I promised, and collect the second prompt. This is where we start getting dangerous. Copy it. Head back to the machine, our Notebook LM clone, and paste it. Now, let me explain what this second prompt does, because you need to deep this. Its job is to extract the viral blueprint. This is the most important part of the entire process. We aren't just looking for topics. We are extracting the soul of the channel. This prompt finds the psychological triggers that force people to click. It tells Notebook LM to identify the style, the emotional hooks, and the exact reasons why people watch. It answers the question, what the hell is going on, and why are millions of people viewing this? We are reverse engineering the human brain here. So now, prompt 3. We are going to use the data we just extracted in prompt 2 to generate actual video ideas. This prompt basically tells the AI, okay, you know the blueprint, now give me 10 viral video concepts that fit this exact mold. But here's the catch. Each idea must be inspired by a proven viral concept, but reframed into a new original video that fits your specific niche. Hit generate and look at this list. You have to cross-check these. Look at these titles. The Life Subscription Scam. Why You Own Nothing in 2026. That is crazy. That is clickbait heaven. The concept expands on the subscription trap economy. This is giving us results that are actually usable. Look at the brutal math this suggests. Calculating the lifetime cost of renting life is giving us absolute fire ideas in the style of the original creator. I can't even lie, this is so good. The pivot, the hook, the angle is all there. The equity trap, why renting is making you richer than you think. That is a controversial take, and controversy brings views. This tool is mind-blowing because it is context locking. It means you don't have to think. It remembers everything we analyzed in step 1 and 2 and applies it here. It's not going to give you random garbage. It's going to stay in tune with the source material, no matter how absurd the topic gets. Now that you have your 10 ideas, you need to pick a winner. You need to pick the one that speaks to you. While I was scrolling, one specific idea crossed me and stopped me in my tracks. Why you are broke even when you don't buy anything. Now, that is crazy. I love this idea because it is something I can relate to, and if I can relate to it, millions of others can too. We have all been there. Account looking empty, but you didn't buy anything crazy. You got money coming in, but you are still broke. That pain point, that is views. So copy that title. Now this is where we glitch the matrix. You are going to take that idea and paste it into prompt 4, but put it in quotation marks. This tells the AI, focus on this specific concept. You paste it right there. We are doing this so it can analyze the full idea and give us a specialized title and script. Sometimes the titles it gives back are mid, and that's okay. If you don't like the title, change it. You are the boss here. But I'm showing you this so you see how crazy the context engine is. Once you have your title locked in, the next step is to build the script. Remember, I said everything is in context. So the script it generates will definitely be in context. It is crazy because all you have to do is give it your title and it is going to provide a full script that matches the niche, the style, the hook, and the psychology we extracted earlier. You don't have to worry about writer's block. You don't have to worry about pacing. It does it all. After the script is generated, there's one thing you need to do. Don't be lazy here. You need to sanitize the script. If it mentions the original creator's name or channel, swap it out for your character. Since this is context locking, it might think it is the original channel. So correct it. Give it your main character's name. This keeps everything original and safe for monetization. Now that the script is clean, copy the entire thing from beginning to end. We are going to start fresh, create a new notebook in Notebook LM. We want to keep everything fresh and separate so the AI doesn't get confused by previous data. When you create the new notebook, paste that copy script right in as a source. Insert it, let it load. It's going to take a second. Next step, Rename the notebook. Do not leave it as Untitled Notebook. Rename it to the title of your video. Me personally, I name it the exact title I want just to keep things organized. Why you are broke even when you don't buy anything. Boom. Now click on Video Overview or Audio Overview. This is the magic button. When you click this, it is going to generate the audio file, but we can take things further. You can customize how you want the output to sound or look. I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to ask for a minimalistic black and white motion graphics, but for the audio, I want a deep dive conversation. You can literally describe the style. Click Generate. Now you can see I have 2 generations running. This is going to take 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, depending on the server load. Go touch grass, go get a snack, don't stare at the screen, let the AI cook. Once that is done, the result is ready. Listen to this quality.
All right, picture this. It's 11 p.m. You're staring at an Amazon cart, and it's full of, organizers, cool gadgets, maybe a few books. And you tell yourself, this is it. I'm finally getting organized. Or this is an investment in my productivity. But what if I told you, you're not actually buying productivity. You're buying something else entirely.
You're not really buying those things. You're paying something called the dopamine tax. And let me tell you, it's the single biggest reason you might be making good money, but still feel that knot in your stomach every time a bill shows up in your inbox.
I mean, think about it for a second. If you're pulling in, say, $80,000 a year, why does a surprise car repair feel like a complete financial meltdown? That feeling right there, that specific panic, that's the symptom we're going to get to the bottom of in this explainer.
Okay, so let's break down this trap. We're going to look at why you feel so strapped for cash even when you're not out there buying yachts or fancy cars.
In a matter of minutes, we just generated our first asset, which is a 7-minute, 40-second audio file. That is crazy. Simply by using free tools, the cadence, the pauses, the ums and ahs, it sounds human. Now, to take this further, we are going to take the visuals to the next level. You could just post that audio with a static image, but we aren't basic. We want to make the video pop. We are going to make a character in the style of a distinct brand. I'm going to call my character something different. Let's say the street economist. Here's my character reference. Yeah, that's right. The character is looking slick. It ties with the same style as the niche we analyzed. If you notice, the video style we are aiming for is simple and minimalistic. It's something anybody can create, but nobody does because they are lazy. So I'm going to drop this next prompt in the description. What you are going to do is go to Gemini. Yes, Gemini. Do not sleep on Google's AI. Drag and drop the video or audio you just downloaded and the picture of your character into the chat. All you need to do is paste the prompt I gave you. This prompt is the heavy lifter. It's going to do all the creative directions for you. You don't have to manually generate images on Midjourney or Whisk or whatever. This is going to map out everything down to the visual metaphors. You don't have to come up with scene ideas. Gemini is going to watch or listen to the file and generate image prompts that match every single scene. You can literally decide to just go with the Notebook LM default visuals if you want to be average. But I like to keep things professional and create a personality. With all these AI tools out here, there is going to be competition. The only way you survive the ops is by creating quality content. So we are creating quality. Paste the prompt. Like I said, it's really detailed. Gemini is going to map out everything. Look at that. It took the reference, it analyzed the script, and it made an entire list of image generation prompts and video motion prompts. It's doing the work of a creative director for free. Now, we are moving to the next step, which is using AutoWhisk to generate the visuals in bulk. Go to the Google Web Store, search for AutoWhisk. You are going to see it. Add the extension, let it download. Now, open the extension. The only thing you need to do is change the language to English. You have 2 versions here, the API version and the DOM version. Let me break it down. The classic DOM version basically uses the Whisk website directly in your browser. It clicks the buttons for you. The API version uses the software backend. You can leave the Whisk API running in the background. The downside to the API is that it doesn't have a history. You cannot see what is being done until it is downloaded. But for this video, I'm going to show you the API method because it is faster. First off, set the aspect ratio you want. We are doing YouTube, so 16:9. Set the image count you want for each generation. Let's leave it at 2. It's free, so you can decide to put it at 4. But just to save time for this tutorial, I'm leaving it at 2. Now you can put the subject reference for the API. You would put the reference of your character and the reference of the scene style. I don't really have a specific scene reference in mind, so I'm going to leave that blank. But if you want consistent results, you should specify all of these. It is very, very important. Another step you can do is add style. I'm just going to put the subject image as a style reference, which is technically not how you are supposed to do it, but I just want to show you guys the procedure. After that is set, click on Upload and Analyze. This is an extra layer of protection to make sure the AI locks in the exact character subject style. You will see a message pop up showing that it has finished analyzing the images. Click on Done. Now, go back to Gemini. Copy that long list of prompts it gave us. Copy all of them. Go back to Auto Whisk and paste it into the prompt list. As soon as you paste it, you are going to see the prompts load in real time. We have image 1, image 2. It's all lined up. Basically, all you need to do is hit start. As soon as you start it, watch your PC. In real time, all of your pictures are going to be generated and automatically downloaded to your hard drive. And the best part, it files them well organized for you. This is taking the whole game to another level. You don't need to manually think of ideas. Think about the prompt or click generate 50 times. You use the tool to create the ideas, the structure, the voiceover, and now the visuals. Don't leave this video yet because we haven't even gotten to the best part. Everything is being generated. Look at these results. They are crazily good because we are talking about whisk models here. It's not just any random trash generator. You can put the style and get consistent results, but make sure you prompt the exact thing. Don't use this video as a limitation of what you can get. You can get way better results if you actually put your mind into the prompts. I'm just trying to put the tutorial out there. Once your image generation is completed, you're going to head over to Flow or your video animation tool. But for this, we are going to be using AutoFlow because we are about automation. Install AutoFlow. It is an extension similar to AutoWix. They have the same mechanism, but this is for video creation. It automates the process in a similar style. This helps you to generate text to video or image to video. You can choose the amount of video variations per task. For this video, I'm going to click on 4 just to show you guys that it is possible to get motion. Click on the aspect ratio, 16:9 again. Choose where you want the prompt to start. If you previously generated some, you can start from number 3. It depends on you. Now, we are going to configure this. Select the images you want to animate, order them A to Z so they match the script order. You can decide to choose that or start from last to first. It all depends on you. When you have selected all the images, you're going to put in your motion prompt. Copy that from the same Gemini output. I told you, Gemini did all the work for you. I'm going to leave that prompt again in the description. So in case you want to copy a similar style, you can easily do that. After copying the prompt, all you have to do is add to queue. Once you add to queue, click on Start Queue. Make sure nothing else is in the queue because this tool can do simultaneous tasks and you don't want to crash it. Start the queue and everything begins. Look at the screen. I am literally not doing anything. It is automating the entire process for me. It takes the normal time a normal user would take to generate one video, but it's doing 50 of them in a row. You can leave this running overnight, go to sleep, wake up to a folder full of content. Or while you are working your extra shift, leave your laptop on and let it print. I am literally not touching anything. It is doing all the work for me. This is really an automation game changer. So with AutoFlow, AutoWhisk, and Gemini, you have a powerhouse of content creation. And if you combine it with Notebook LM for the research and scripting, You can make a fully monetizable video from the comfort of your bed without having to lift a finger to do literally anything manual.